Hi everyone, Chad Peterman with Peterman Heating, Cooling and Plumbing, and it's time to draw the winner for our September System Giveback. Thank you to everyone who participated in the September promo. Taking care of your home and making sure you'll be comfortable this coming winter and for years to come is what we are all about. So let's see who the lucky winner is. We'll draw it out now. So the lucky winner is Donald Bramall. So there you have it. Thanks again to everyone who installed a brand new HVAC system with us in September. And for everyone else, be on the lookout for the next month where we do a system give back. Who knows? You could be next to have the entire cost of a brand new system refunded to you, just like Donald. Now, let's go surprise the winner.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're the winner of the September promo.
Cool.
So,
Hello, my name's Eric, and I found Peterman on the internet when I was looking for a ductless system. I'd heard a lot of good things about the ductless systems, and I found Peterman. I had read a lot about the ratings on the internet, and they came highly recommended. Just the excellent customer service. They were always informing me what they were doing and how they were going to do it, and kept me up to speed with everything that was going on with it. Did an excellent job of installing it. I'm excited to be able to win this and get this money for around Christmas time.